Welcome. My name is Mats Larsson and I'm the market manager here at ABB Force Measurement in Sweden. I will now give you a short introduction or a short presentation of what ABB can offer for tension measurement in separator film manufacturing. Separator film is a key component in most of the lithium-ion batteries that you see in smartwatches, in laptops and in electrical cars. The separator film insulates the anode and the cathode from each other while still allowing the ions to be transported between the two electrodes. The purpose here is to prevent overheating or short circuit between the anode and the cathode. So you can understand it's a really key component in the battery. A separator film can have one or more coated layers, and to increase the functionality such as the heat resistant and other safety features. To be able to produce separator film with high quality, it's many parameters that need to be measured and controlled. One such parameter is tension in the separator film. And to be able to measure tension, you need to have tension load cells with very high long-term sensitivity and long-term stability. Very important. And thanks to the unique sensor technology ABB are using in their tension load cells, the so-called Prestructor technology, patented in 1954 and well proven in many demanding applications. This technology allows to produce tension load cells with extremely long-term stable sensitivity and high level of repeatability. So we have two load cells to be offered here. One is the so-called radial tensiometer that you put on the machine wall and you insert the bearing inside and the shaft end here. The other type is the so-called mini pillar block, where you mount separate bearing houses on top and then insert the shaft end here. And both these two load cells have the same high level of accuracy, long-term stability. So it's just a different mechanical design depending on how the machine, the coating machine, it can also be the slitting machine, how they are designed. And if you'd like to know more details about these load cells, please log in to abb.com/webtension. Thank you for your attention.